Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you my top dividend stock for year 2020. Of course, there are many merits to having dividends inside your portfolio, such as having passive income, and usual suggestions are always REITs and Telcos. But today, the suggestion is actually an agency, a property agency, PropNex. And before I get there, quick disclaimer, this is not a suggestion for you to buy the stock. This is rather an overview of this stock, this company, as well as my understanding of it. I've always preferred to advise private clients of mine that they should have a portfolio, a stable dividend portfolio, and on top of that, add on certain investment ideas on top of it, just to get an additional kicker. And if you want to find out more about my personal preference, I've actually a quick video previously done on why I did not invest in the Eagle Hospitality Trust, and I'll put up over here for you to see that link. And without further ado, let's dive on to understanding PropNex as a possible dividend idea for year 2020. Let's roll the intro. PropNex is Singapore's biggest real estate agency, and right now they have more than 8,400 agents under them. Back in 2018 when they listed, they only had 6,600 agents, so they've really done a lot of acquisition. They've really grown this team, and right now they are servicing about 40% of all transactions. That is massive because that shows market dominance. And when you invest in a company, you want to find somebody that's dominating market. Somebody is fast growing. That's why I'm attracted to PropNex. Now, what's the secret behind PropNex's massive growth? And from my understanding, it's actually this group, PNG, Powerful Negotiators. And PNG has actually contributed more than 60% to PropNex's bottom line, and they're actually led by Kelvin Fong. You can check, there's a lot of information on him. And from my understanding from real estate friends, this group is one of the most feared in the market. They've actually dominated the market, and right now they have about 4,000 agents within them. So this is actually a massive team within PropNex itself. And the main risk of it is, of course, just in case Kelvin decides to move the team out, there's going to be a problem. But thankfully, he's part of shareholders. He's owning 7% of PropNex, and hopefully that keeps PNG within PropNex and continues its growth within PropNex. So PropNex's dividend yield, they actually have a committed policy to pay out at least 50% of income as dividends, and last year they actually paid 3.5 cents. Depending on your entry price, right now it's about 50 over cents. This is about 6 to 7% in dividend yield. Now, the main risk of investing in PropNex, of course, is their dividends is based on income, and their income is actually not recurring, unlike a REIT where lease is 5 years, 10 years. PropNex's income is based on commissions paid by developers, paid by consumers. So this income may be lumpy moving forward. Depending on how 2020 looks like, this income may vary, but my confidence is, even if markets are bad, developers seem to be committed to pay higher commissions to move out their unsold units, which only benefits a broker and any agent, and eventually that benefits PropNex itself. PropNex did its IPO back in July 2018, and the share price then was 65 cents. Right now at 50 over cents, this is a massive discount to its initial listing price. So it's something that attracted me to it, and that's something to consider. Is there a margin of safety enough for you to get invested in this company? And what do you think of the prospects of Singapore's property market? As of now, PropNex is still 97% revenue Singapore driven. After the IPO, they've done some mergers and acquisitions abroad into Malaysia, Indonesia, etc. But main revenue stream is of course in Singapore, which makes it easy to track as well as easy to understand. These are some points to look out in terms of investing in PropNex. In addition, they have 74 million net cash inside the bank accounts. I'll put a quick chart for you to see over here. And this is a very healthy balance sheet. And they can use this cash to grow their teams even further. They can actually do mergers and acquisitions across the region, and maybe in the next few years they can diversify their earnings. I've done a previously seemingly conflicting video to suggest that consumers like you and I should buy properties ourselves instead and save on fees, save on commissions. But when you invest, you look at metrics such as net cash. When you invest, you look in terms of market dominance of that company. Is it fast growing? And these are very appealing, very attractive metrics that PropNex actually has. Let me know your thoughts in the comment sections below, and if you have benefited, smash on the subscribe button so that you'll get notified whenever I release a financial video for you. I have also a previous video on how to build passive income, so I think that is something that might interest you. I'll leave them links below over here, and with that, I'll sign off from here. Take care and goodbye.